How to fix TikTok app not working or TikTok showing no internet connection problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix that issue on your Android device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the reasons may be because you don't have a stable network. As for that, you just need to open the main settings of your device. After opening it up, if you don't have a good internet connection, you may just switch it up to a good internet connection by simply tapping on connection and go to Wi-Fi and switch up the network. If that isn't the problem, you may just go to apps, and under apps, simply search for TikTok. Type in TikTok and tap on TikTok. After that, simply tap on clear cache. In under storage, you will be able to find that option. Simply tap on clear cache and restart your app. And after that, we can also uninstall the app. If that method doesn't work, you may simply tap on this uninstall option and simply go to Play Store and re-download the application onto your device. If that also doesn't work, the next step we can do is just get back to your main settings and search for network settings, and simply tap on reset network settings, which is easily available on your settings. Simply tap on reset network settings, and I'm sure one of the method is gonna work. And the last thing you can do is, if you are connected to any of the VPN, you may just disconnect it and reconnect it if you are using a VPN of any other country. If not, if your country doesn't require any kind of VPN, you may just disconnect the VPN and simply join a Wi-Fi network and open your TikTok, and you should be able to use your TikTok very easily after that. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.